All right, I'm doing this video so that you can see how to estimate the population mean using a confidence interval. If you were given raw data, that's how you would do this problem. So you would go, let's read the problem. Use the following sample to estimate a population mean, mu, from this data. This is raw data they're giving you. Assuming the population is normally distributed, find the 99.5 confidence interval about the population mean and enter your answer as an open interval. That means parentheses, lower bound, comma, upper bound, and then accurate to two decimal places. So we go to stats, we go to tests. Oh, wait, because they give us raw data, we have to go to stats edit first. And we have to input the data. So I go up to the top of mine and I press clear, delete, and then of each row, and it deletes out everything. If you're a TI-84 calculator, you have to press delete on like the top, and then you have to scroll down before it actually deletes it. But anyways, now I'm just going to put all my data in here, the 22.2, 9.7, 1.2, negative 0.09, or 0.9, hello, 0.9, 42.7, 52.8, 28.4, let me just look and see 22, 9.7, 1.2, negative. Yeah, I wonder if I use the right negative in there. Sometimes if you don't use the right negative sign, that can give you issues. So let me delete that one. It doesn't matter if I put this on the bottom. It's okay, the order doesn't matter. So negative 0.9, let's just make sure that that's okay. 42.7, 52.8, 28.4. Okay, now I go to stats, I go to tests, and now I want to go to T interval. So it asks me, where's your list? And so I put it in L1. So I go second one to get this L1 to go in there. And there is no frequency, and the confidence level they're saying is 99. And I always put that percentage as a decimal. So I move the decimal twice to the left. So it's 0.995. And by the way, I'm using a free calculator that I found online. It's called Calc84. It's very similar to your TI-84 calculator, but if you are taking tests and you have to use your TI-84, I would try your best to do the same process. It's very similar on your TI-84. All right, and then enter. And then I press enter one more time. And then they give me the answer, and this is called open interval notation. This is what they're talking about, open interval notation. But instead of these square brackets, we put it in parentheses. That's the only difference. But here's your lower bound and here's your upper bound. So let's just double check our answer. That's right. So to two decimal places, it'd be negative 11.18 because the 6 is in the third decimal place, and you would add 1 to the 7 here, so 0.18. And then because there's a 6 in the third decimal place as well, you'd add 1 here, so 55.78. And that is our answer. And they do want to get it correct here. You do have to put it in like parentheses. You have to use the negative sign, or I just use the backspace sign. I think you're fine with that, but 11.18 and then comma 55.78, and then I have to in parentheses, and then that's the way they want it in parentheses, like that, and they like it. See, if you were to leave off these parentheses, I think it probably, yeah, it's like invalid in notation, so like it wouldn't like that. All right, have a good day. Bye.